Hello, this is Team LightSense. The problem we identified is of huge electricity bills for large organizations. So, what's the solution? We at LightSense create customizable proximity sensor based switches to keep the lights on when they are actually required. The best way to describe the market for our product is to classify it as a resegmented market. This is because our target customers are only large institutes and we are looking for large scale installations. Now let us look at the market size. Our market involves restrooms in malls, hospitals, universities, etc. The number of universities in India are approximately 634 under UGC. Now the census required to cover a large college is around 200, whereas the census required to cover a small college is around 100. Now to be on the safer side, let's take the average to be 100. Potential market in universities is therefore equal to 63,400 installations for us. The other segments of our market are the hospitals and malls. And hence, as you can clearly see from the statistics we gathered, the market size for us is immeasurable and offers ample opportunity for our enterprise to flourish. I have mentioned a few competitors which are selling occupancy sensor based switches, but they are not being used widely. The reason? Firstly, people are not aware about these existing products. Second, the products that are available in the market use expensive motion detectors to sense the occupancy of the room, which leads to a huge increase in the manufacturing cost of the product. Example, a typical occupancy sensor, which is most commonly used, costs around 200% more than a proximity sensor which we are using. Now what we have done till now? We installed one sensor in our corridor's restroom as our MVP. Basically its purpose was to validate the working of a prototype. Instead of actually controlling the lights, we used it to gather real-time statistics. Now let's have a short demonstration of our product. Now, as you can see, as soon as the first person moved in, the light was switched on, and it also counted how many people have moved in. Now, as soon as both the people move out, the lights are going to be turned off. From the data that we have gathered, we have produced a few charts. As you can clearly see, this one shows the occupancy of restroom based on the time of night. And this shows that the maximum time for which most of the people use the restroom is less than a minute. So on an average, every night from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning, when the lights are needed to be switched on, are about 119 minutes only and not 11 hours. That is approximately 2 hours. The time for which the lights are actually need to be switched on. From this data, we come out with a square figure for the savings, which is surprisingly around 70%. We conducted a user survey using social networking to validate the need for our product and find out about the features that we should inculcate in our product. 90 people participated in the survey, out of which 82 gave a positive response. They also suggested some additional features, which are ambient light sensors to be included in our product and reset switches. Now approaching the customer. With the statistics we gathered, we approached our first customer, the authority of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Now to us, one customer equals 200 installations. Because of a huge level of hierarchy, we had to go a long way convincing a lot of people, starting from the chief warden to the maintenance head, student welfare division head, etc. Let's move on to their feedback. The authorities were quite impressed with our work and want us to make 2 installations as soon as possible, so that they can monitor it for a month and ensure proper working of the device. Interaction with key partners. Our key partners are mainly the component suppliers. We are currently in talks with 2 of these suppliers, namely Roshni Microsystems and Modern Electronics. We have very good relations with them as we have been taking components from them since the very beginning. Now I'll walk you through our timeline. The designing of our circuit was completed by the 10th of August. Next, some alterations were done and MVP was built, which was put up in our restroom by the 28th of September. The statistics acquired from the MVP and we prepared the charts by 14th of October. Now by 31st October we are approaching our customers, and for the 25th of November our target is to approach more customers as much as possible, start searching for funding and building contacts with the suppliers. Thank you.